Are you looking for a powerful, just-released AI software to streamline your workflow and enhance your digital experience? MyPicNow AI could be the game changer you've been searching for. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about MyPicNow AI, a software that's taking the AI world by storm. Stay with me until the end to find out why this might be the best AI software to help you save time and improve your content creation process. First off, let me say that MyPicNow AI is a robust tool that helps you instantly generate images from text descriptions. It's perfect for businesses, content creators, or anyone who needs quick, high-quality visuals. Whether you need graphics for marketing campaigns, social media posts, or website design, this software offers an intuitive and seamless process. One thing that really sets MyPicNow AI apart is its ease of use. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer to get started. With just a few words, MyPicNow AI can generate detailed images that match your vision. The user interface is super friendly, meaning even beginners can create stunning visuals without a steep learning curve. Another major plus is the speed. If you're working on a time-sensitive project or need visuals in a rush, MyPicNow AI delivers results incredibly fast. You'll be able to create multiple images in minutes, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business or content. What really makes MyPicNow stand out is its AI model's versatility. It can handle a wide range of styles, from simple illustrations to highly detailed images, making it a great tool for various industries. Whether you're designing logos, creating artwork for a blog, or crafting social media visuals, MyPicNow AI is designed to meet your needs. A key feature to note is its customization options. After generating an image, you can tweak it to fit your exact requirements. You're not stuck with the first version it creates. This level of customization is a huge advantage for those who need flexibility in their design process. On top of that, MyPicNow AI integrates smoothly with popular platforms, making it easy to export images to your website, social media, or other digital marketing tools. This seamless integration helps speed up your workflow and saves you valuable time. Now you're probably wondering about the pricing. The best part? You can try MyPicNow AI for free through the first link in the description. It gives you a chance to explore all the features and see if this AI software aligns with your needs before making a commitment. I've personally tested countless AI tools in the past, and MyPicNow stands out for its simplicity, speed, and customization. If you're someone who needs high-quality visuals without spending hours on design, this software is definitely worth checking out. Finally, if you want to explore more top-tier AI software options, I've got a list of my recommended tools in the description below, all of which you can try for free. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones that truly made a difference in my workflow. So, if you're ready to level up your digital creation process with MyPicNow AI, hit that first link below to try it for free and start generating incredible images in no time.